We are on to a new chapter, new semester here, chapter 6, and chapter 6 is all about roots. Now we've seen square roots before, and in chapter 6 we're going to see cube roots, fourth roots, all sorts of other roots, and different things we can do with radicals. So to start us off here, roots and radical expressions, it's probably a good idea if we know what on earth it means if we really have a root. So here's our definition of a root, I guess. So our definition, we say if a to the n power equals b, then that means a is the nth root of b. So for example, I think you guys will all agree with me that 2 to the third power is 8. So if you kind of keep track with where things are, 2 to the third power is 8. That means 2 is the third root, or the cube root, of 8. Okay. Now, kind of going along with this, if n is odd, there is only going to be one root. Because if we see like the cube root of 8, for example, this really means what to the third power gives us 8? And it's 2. Kind of along the same lines here, the fifth root of 32, what to the fifth power gives me 32? It's only 2. Negative 2 would give me negative 32 here. But if n is even, we might have a couple different situations come up. So if we have like the square root of negative 4, we have no real root. And I'm going to underline that word real because we saw that this really is imaginary. So I'm clarifying here, it's not a real root. If b is positive, we will have 2 roots. So for example, if I had the fourth root of 16, this really means what to the fourth power gives you 16. It could be 2, or it could be negative 2. Now, I guess one little slight difference here is there is a difference between saying the fourth root of 16 and saying this. So the fourth root, with having that root written in, since we just see our positive root here, we don't see a negative symbol in front, that's implying that we only care about the positive 2 as our answer. So notice the difference here between saying fourth root of 16, where we're really saying what to the fourth power is 16, and just seeing our symbol here. So I'm just gonna write those words, be careful next time. All right.